Let's go over the setup of the multicam system for Webex. I'm going to show you the board, followed by how to install all the different components of the kit, as well as how to use the multicam system within Webex. Let's go ahead and begin by taking a look at the board. So here you can actually see the roll-in board that you'll be receiving within your kit. Inside of this kit, you'll also receive multiple HDMI cables. As you can see here, I have multiple HDMI cables connected. One of these cables is going to be for camera 1. One of these cables is going to be for camera 2. One of these cables is going to be from the laptop HDMI source into the board. And the last one will be the output. So we'll show you the output. There's something special about this that I will mention here in just a minute. So this output source right here goes to an output right here on this USB capture device. So you'll see here the HDMI goes into one piece that then goes to a USB 3.0. This USB 3.0 then goes over into my laptop that you can see here. All right, so that is the main setup of all of the cameras within the kit. Within the documentation that I sent you, there will be a wiring diagram that should help you along on how to set up all of this kit. But for now, let's go ahead and continue on. Within your computer system, as what you see right here, let's go ahead and go into Webex. Let's go ahead and start a meeting. Inside of Webex, you'll notice that we have our camera system up and running. I'm going to go ahead and use this computer for audio. Go over here into settings. I'm then going to select the speaker, which should be whatever your computer speakers are. For your microphone, you will want to select the HDMI USB capture. And for the camera, once again, you're going to select the USB capture HDMI. Now within your kit, you'll also receive a wireless lapel mic. The wireless lapel mic will come with a Rode box, such as this right here. This is what I'm using to talk to you right now. Included with this will also be a cable that you see right here. This cable will connect to your box. So let me go ahead and switch over to that. So inside of that, you'll notice that whenever we take a look at this box, this cable from the Rode mic will plug into the mic connection on the side of the roll-in box. You'll notice that we have a mic connection as well as a headphone connection. If you need to adjust the audio input or gain from the microphone, there is a little scroll wheel right here that turns left or right to increase or decrease the volume. You may want to adjust that and make sure that your audio is within the correct levels before using that. And on the other end of the mic, you'll see a lapel mic like what I'm wearing right here. Make sure that both of these are turned on and make sure that you're receiving some gain on the box. You can actually see the gain moving on the box right here. You can see how it's moving up and down. Just make sure that you are receiving some gain before you use it. If you have any questions on how to use this system, please don't hesitate to contact me at Casey, C-A-S-E-Y, .corbett, C-O-R-B-E-T-T, @thermofisher.com.